Okie doke, I'm back, and contrary to what I said at the end of the last video, it's not pollution yet, right? It's non-renewable natural resources. Then we have short-run pollution or local pollution, and then, if I'm not very much mistaken, it's time for Chandra to take over. Okay, so the extraction and use of non-renewable natural resources. And we spent a lot of time building a workhorse model, so it would be a shame if we didn't start there when we look at the next topic. So here's our workhorse structure, including capital this time. And now we're interested in extraction and use of non-renewable resources. So we're going to clearly zoom in here, right, on these three sectors, and we're no longer looking at specifically at pollution, and we're going to look at these one at a time. Okay, so hopefully you'll recognize the structure from that. Let's see if we jump. No, sorry, but we're not going to go straight to that structure. We're going to have a look at one paper from the literature. First, going back 20-30 years, Farzin in the Economic Journal, The Time Path to Scarcity Rent. So this was one of the papers subsequent to DHSS that was trying to do things properly and actually look at extraction costs and so on and really understand things. So Farzin posits an extraction cost function. So CT, the costs, total costs of extraction function, is a function of XT, extraction rate, big XT, cumulative extraction, and Z, technology. So this is great, but it's a little bit like Nordhaus's dice with his abatement costs. Like, it's kind of nicer and more intuitive to think about the physical properties of a stock of resource in the ground, extraction inputs like labor and capital maybe going in there, how much do we get out per input, etc. Okay, things get a lot more intuitive and you tend not to make mistakes, or it's easier to match the stylized facts and so on and to understand what's going on. So perhaps more helpfully, what's the advantage of positing an extraction function in which specified inputs are used to extract resources with specific qualities? So that's what I was just trying to explain.